Snowy right here. I have a lot of kittens here just purring at my feet. And then this is Isaac right here. He's a very sweet boy. This is Licorice. This one's a very sweet boy too, very soft. Loves to be petted and loves to be on its belly. Hi. Hi. Very, very sweet. Sweet boy. Hi. 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 Very soft. And this is Cassidy over here. This one's a purr machine as well. All of them are lovers. Hi. Hi, Cassidy. He's a boy. This one's very, very sweet, sweet boy. And there's Isaac again. Very, very sweet. Loves attention. He's one that loves attention out of most of them. He's the dominant male. He's the biggest one. He loves attention. He loves feet too. He loves rubbing himself on feet. And so does Cassidy. And she is the only girl, and she's the teeniest one. Teeny tiny little girl. And she is very sweet as well. She has an adorable looking belly too. All of them have tiger spots on their belly. Super cute. And they love to come and greet you. Hi. Hi. And those are all the kittens.